Hello, this is Taylor with Rentals in SF, and this is a video tour of 1532 Howard Street. Okay, great. This building is a new build, about 3 years old, and here we are just south of Market Street, and we've got a 98 on the walk score, 100 on the ride score, and 96 on the bike score. And here we are on the edge of Howard, and we're at the corner, basically really close to walking distance to Hayes Valley. There's a Trader Joe's nearby. We're on the edge of the Mission as well, and of course Soma. And only a 8-minute walk to Rainbow Grocer, which is a grocery store, and a very short 6-minute walk to Van Ness Community Station. Okay, here we are on the exterior looking around Howard Street. There's a little sandwich shop that's very popular next door. Here's the exterior of the building. As mentioned, only about 3 years old building, so built from the ground up, completely brand new construction. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. Here is what the lobby looks like. Little sitting bench right there. Mail-in packages are delivered right inside here. Mail-in packages. There is an elevator in the building. Goes all the way to the top floor, which is the 7th floor, which is the roof deck, common roof deck. All right, just to let you know, very clean building. Does have weekly janitor service. This is what the trash room looks like. Clean, easy peasy. Now there is a secure biking area here in the back. So this is for bicycles. So that's really convenient. So go ahead and lock up your bicycles there. And just to let you know, the exterior rear of the building looks like this right here. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at Unit 501. Here we are stepping into the unit. Very solid core door. Light and bright unit. This is in the back side of the building. So on the back side, and you're walking in, you're going to notice that there's hardwood floors, modern contemporary architecture, Murphy bed that fits a queen size bed. You can bring your own mattress, or possibly we could supply one. Right, there's really nice views out the back there. A little bit of a downtown view on the right. And you have built-in closets by the side of the bed, left and right side. Where this painting is really good for like a flat screen TV. There's cordless shades in all the units, and they go up and down, meaning that you can put them all the way at the bottom and then raise them from the bottom. There is a dishwasher, a 2-range cooktop, in-unit washer-dryer, front loading. Restroom is a nice size. And we have a tub shower combination. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the 6th floor. There's a little kitchen patio front deck. This is on the front of the building. There's that view of downtown. Okay, and the 7th floor has a roof deck. Really nice elevator in the building, very convenient for moving, and of course if you have groceries and things like that. Okay, that concludes our tour. Thank you so much for watching and best of luck in your home search.